everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create a cute, fun, and festive necklace using beads left over from other Soft Flex company design kits and live sales? This necklace is perfect for autumn. It's kind of an illusion style. We're using the beautiful garnet color. I just felt all the colors just look so well for autumn. It's sweater season, so you can always layer this with any outfit or other pieces of jewelry. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow, and I'll leave links down below in the description for all other necklace inspiration and products used in this video if they are still available. So we're going to be using the Soft Flex Garnet wire. You'll just need one head pin, or you can use Soft Flex craft wire to make your own wire wrap component. Just a larger bead to put on top. And then I'm using two 4 millimeter orange rondelles. These were just left over from my Halloween designs and some other autumn designs, just to give a little sparkle to the owl. And we'll also need a 6 millimeter jump ring. And then I'm not going to put a clasp on this necklace. I'm just going to go ahead and attach the two soft flex wires together with a 2x2. So to start designing this necklace, we're just going to use our head pin and add one of these little bubbles. What I love with the head pins, if you just have a plain head pin, such as this one, you can add a little rondelle or a spacer and just kind of dresses up the design. So if you're making like a charm bracelet or you're doing a lot of these little tassels, it's just cute. Add my owl and another little rondelle. It's like the little crown for the owl. And then this beautiful little melon bee, and it's red and orange and yellow. Just looks like autumn leaves. We're going to be making a loop, and I am using the 1.5 millimeter one-step looper tool. It will give me the perfect loop every time. So we're just going to slide it in and just give it a gentle squeeze. We're going to take our round nose pliers and we're going to make sure that it is completely closed. We wouldn't want to lose our little pendant. And this is adorable as an earring as well. I love these little owls. Softlex Company had them in a few other colors last year, I believe, for their Birds of a Feather design kit. So they had just a few extra, and I got one this year with this beautiful color and travertine. So we have a 6 millimeter jump ring. We're just going to gently twist side to side. And then we're going to attach our little charm and give it a close. And you should hear that little click, and you'll know it's secure. For my necklace, I'm going to use about 24 inches of the soft flex wire. Then we have our beautiful garnet soft flex wire. You can see just how well it blends together. And then I will be using copper 2x2s to finish off my necklace. So we're going to go ahead and add on our little charm, our beautiful little owl. And then we have our pattern here of just some oranges, some yellows, and citrines. And then these little copper, they're check cloths, but they're daisy spacers. And they're on closeout on the website. But I just feel they fit so well with the design. And then these little flowers were so cute. They almost look like they're like a pumpkin spice. They have some little freckles on them, or little speckles. And then an orange bicone. And I love making these types of necklaces. They're great for gifts, but they're also great to use any leftover beads that you may just have one or two of in your collection, and you don't want to make a pair of earrings, or you already have earrings to match this necklace. And also with this design, since we're letting our soft flex wire show, it's perfect for layering. And that's one of the highlights of autumn is you put on your favorite sweater and you can have two or three necklaces, but you don't want them too heavy. So this is nice and light and full of sparkle. So we're just going to add on the rest of our beads on the other side of our project. So we have our beautiful necklace, and with some of the lighter beads, you can kind of see the garnet wire show through. So that just really acts as a nice design element and brings out the colors of this little melon bead. Design options. If we wanted to, we could keep our necklace stationary and add a 2x2 here. I'm just going to have it move freely if it wants to. So we want to make sure that our ends are even. Using two 2x2s. We're just going to slide them on one side of our soft flex wire. It doesn't matter which one. And then on the opposite side, we're just going to cross back through. And it's okay that you have just a little bit of soft flex overlapping. We'll trim that in just a moment. Now, if you were to make your necklace stationary, you would want to make sure that everything is in the middle. With this type of design where the beads will move freely, you don't have to worry about it being even so much because you'll always find the middle with the pendant. Hope that makes sense. So we're going to take our pliers and then we're just going to flatten them. Just give it a gentle squish. And this is going to make it nice and secure. And then I'm just going to rotate my plier and round it. And this is just going to give me a more professional finish. With the Softflex 2x2s in copper, they tend to run just a smidge smaller than the other 2x2s. It can feel like a tighter squeeze. So we're just going to take the little extra and I just like to bend it off to the side thing on the other side. And also by rounding the 2x2s on the back of the necklace, it just wears a little bit more comfortably. And it looks more professional, just like a little bead. Have our beautiful autumn owl necklace, and the beads can move freely. So if you wanted like a little fidget necklace, you could move your beads around on the necklace. And then we have our beautiful soft flex wire and garnet showing just to complete the autumn look with that cute little check glass owl. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all other necklace inspiration. Have an awesome day.